BJP's own allies, the JDU, has slammed Himanta Biswa Sarma's party's decision, rather the assembly decision, to end the namaz break. JDU leader Neeraj Kumar has said that this is a decision that is against the standard of the constitution. All religions have the right to keep their traditions and rituals alive.
असम के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी का जो सरकार का निर्णय है वो निश्चित रूप से देश के संविधान की मूल प्रस्तावना के खिलाफ है। हर एक धार्मिक जो मान्यताएं हैं उनको अपनी राय, अपनी परंपरा को जीवंत रखने का अधिकार है। तो माननीय हेमंत शर्मा जी जो वहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री हैं, मैं उनसे जानना चाहता हूं कि आपने शुक्रवार के दिन, रमजान के दिन होने वाली छुट्टी पर तो आप रोक लगा रहे हैं और कहते हैं कि इससे कार्य क्षमता बढ़ेगा। तो हिंदू धर्म की प्रथा का एक बड़ा हिस्सा है जहां से आप संभवतः विधायक हैं, मां कामाख्या का मंदिर है, प्रत्येक दिन बलि होता है तो पट खुलता है, तो जरा बलि प्रथा पर रोक लगा दीजिए। तो
criticism and more questions for Himanta Biswa Sarma and his government after a unanimous decision was made in the assembly to stop namaz breaks on Friday. There would be a 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. window, which has now been scrapped by the Assam government, and they continue to pop up criticism for that decision. In fact, one of BJP's allies now hitting out at Himanta Biswa Sarma for a decision which many are looking at as one that can be divisive in the future. Let me go across to Aditya for more on this. Aditya, could this issue between the two parties really develop a situation where they may have to relook at certain situations, maybe relook at this decision as well, because one of BJP's own allies now criticizing the decision?
Well, exactly. As far as the decision made by Himanta Biswa Sarma government in Assam is concerned, of course, the decision in itself has actually triggered massive response in the opposition and the NDA alike. And notable is the fact that the JDU is now clearly articulate over the fact that the decision is not something very acceptable. So this is something that has been given to understand, and we'll have to wait and see what actually transpires next, whether or not JDU takes this issue on the internal forum within the NDA for its redressal, or is it a mere political statement?
Thank you, Weber, for all those details.